everyone, Luke here and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about the differences between drill bits. So let's take a closer look. In this set there's 3 different types of drill bits and these are used to drill through different types of material. So let's take a closer look at them drill bits. I've taken the biggest drill bits out of the set and the first thing you might notice is that they're all completely different. So let's talk about that. This bit is used to drill through things like steel and aluminium, and as you can see it has nothing on the end of it, but you can also use this to drill through wood, if you want to. This piece is a masonry drill bit and you can use this to drill through things like bricks, tiles, concrete and glass if you're very careful. And this is the last bit in the set, and you're going to notice that it has a nice sharp point at the end, and this is used to drill through wood. And the reason why it has a point at the end is so it can centre the hole before you start going through. So the reason I decided to do this video is because I didn't quite realise that different drill bits drilled out different materials, which kind of makes sense when you think about it, and no wonder it took me so long to drill holes in some materials. And it occurred to me, if I didn't know how to do it, there's probably other people out there who don't know how to do it as well. So it's definitely worth sharing. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you later.